starting a data science or statistics course and wondering what R programming is all about. In this video, I'll give you a solid introduction to R, what it is, why it's used, and how it fits into the world of data. Let's dive in. So, what is R? R is a programming language specifically built for statistical computing, data analysis, and visualization. It was created by statisticians for statisticians, but over time, it's become a go-to tool for data scientists, researchers, and analysts across many fields. So why should you learn R? Because it's designed for data. Whether you're running complex statistical tests, making beautiful visualizations, or cleaning large datasets, R has packages and functions built specifically for those tasks. It's like a toolbox that's already filled with everything a data analyst needs. And that's why R is used in healthcare, finance, social science, academia, tech, government, anywhere data is involved. If you're analyzing survey results, modeling disease spread, or forecasting market trends, chances are someone is doing it with R. You might be wondering, why not just use Python? Great question. While Python is also powerful, R shines when it comes to statistics and data visualization. The learning curve is gentle for stat students, and the syntax is often more intuitive for mathematical operations. Many students find R easier to pick up for data-specific tasks. Let's understand the R ecosystem. When we say R, we're also talking about the wider ecosystem, especially RStudio, a user-friendly interface where most people write and run their R code. Then there's CRAN, the network where thousands of R packages live. So, if you're studying statistics, data science, public health, economics, or biology, R is for you. Even if you're not from a technical background, R is approachable and has tons of community support and learning resources. It's built for analysis, not for building apps or games. In the next video, we'll walk you through how to install the R platform and set up a studio on your computer step by step. This series is designed to get you comfortable with real-world R as fast as possible. No filler, just the essentials. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next step. And as always, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.